Welcome to our channel, where we help you achieve your fitness goals. In this video, we will be discussing the benefits of smoothies for rapid weight loss. Smoothies have become increasingly popular as a quick and easy way to consume fruits and vegetables. By blending these healthy ingredients into a smoothie, you can create a tasty and satisfying meal replacement that can aid in weight loss efforts. So, what are the benefits of smoothies for rapid weight loss? Let's take a closer look. Smoothies can be low in calories. Many smoothie recipes use low-calorie ingredients, such as fruits and vegetables, and are low in added sugars and unhealthy fats. This can help reduce your overall calorie intake, which is a key factor in weight loss. For example, a smoothie made with 1 cup of spinach, 1 banana, and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk contains around 200 to 250 calories, making it a healthy and low-calorie meal replacement option. Smoothies are a great source of nutrients. Smoothies can be packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are crucial for good health.
Fruits and vegetables contain vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium.
These nutrients can help to support a healthy metabolism, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation in the body. Smoothies can help you feel full. Smoothies are a great way to fill up on healthy ingredients without overeating. The fiber in fruits and vegetables can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can help you eat less throughout the day. When you drink a smoothie as a meal replacement, you can be sure that you are getting the nutrients your body needs without consuming too many calories. Smoothies can be a convenient meal replacement. Smoothies are quick and easy to make, which can make them a convenient option for busy people. By using smoothies as a meal replacement, you can reduce your calorie intake while still getting the nutrients you need to stay healthy. Plus, smoothies can be easily transported and consumed on the go, making them a great option for people who are always on the move. Smoothies can help you avoid unhealthy snacking. One of the biggest challenges when trying to lose weight is resisting unhealthy snacks. Smoothies can help you avoid the temptation of unhealthy snacks by keeping you full and satisfied between meals. By drinking a smoothie as a snack, you can avoid high-calorie, processed snacks that are often loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats. In conclusion, smoothies can be an excellent addition to your weight loss journey. By using low-calorie, nutrient-rich ingredients, smoothies can help you reduce your overall calorie intake, support your metabolism, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. So, try adding some delicious smoothies to your diet and start seeing the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching.